Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OTJOSH, and in this video I'm taking trade based on volume and price analysis using the indicator as my volatility guide and my directional guide. So I did a put trade here simply because of what I have said in my previous video. When price is at the 1 deviation and the 2 deviation lower or upper Bollinger Band, it signifies a strong move. Now the reason why I'm also doing this, if you look at this part of the chart straight down here, you see that the time is 9 o'clock. Yes, and that is there was a significant surge of volume at that time, because from here I told you about low volatility. These are the low volatility areas you should avoid to trade. But from here the volatility increased. But why did it increase? It increased because of activities. Which activities am I referring to? I'm referring to these activities in the market. I'm talking about, let me show you the news. You see, at 9 a.m. there was a certain news. Look at it. Yes, this is it. Business confidence, consumer confidence. Exactly at 9 a.m. Come to your chart, you see this candlestick here is 9 a.m. candlestick. As the candlestick came with a huge volume, with a huge momentum, it brought the price down, and so the price is going to continue in that direction. This is the power of the news, using the news as a signal. I've seen traders saying you should avoid trading during news hour, but no, if you know what you are doing, you are going to take advantage of every kind of signal that you come across. This is the signal I got from the news, so I took advantage of it, and we are in the money. So let's go to another pair, or we can use the same pair, whichever. The news affected this pair too. As you can see, the market is coming down. So let me see if there is a trading opportunity here. I don't like switching currency pairs when I trade. I just like to focus on one currency pair. But in this case, let's see if we can get something out of this. Okay, I told you about the Bollinger Band. When the Bollinger Band is coming down, but the market is going back inside the band, you know what that means? Certainly it means that the market will go up for more than 1 minute to the upper direction, and I think this is what we are seeing now. If this candlestick closes as a green candlestick, then for sure it will go back, maybe back to the middle Bollinger Band, because this is the first time the candle is coming down, so it has to take a retrace, and the retracement can be as long as, or almost half as long as this downtrend. Okay, now we see it, so you know what's going to happen now. The candlestick will continue going up. Why? If you watch one of my latest video, I showed you this validation: huge, small candle, small volume, huge candle, huge volume. So with this, the candlestick will go back. And another thing that I can see here is that we have a round number here of 300. Sorry, yes, that's where the price is reacting with now. Okay, it's 300 round number. If you look closely, yeah, this is the round number. So we have a validation. We have this Bollinger Band going down, but price is going inside. 2. We have the round number to support our price from falling down. 3. Now we have a long trend that needs to retrace. 4. So you see, these are confluences that you should take to mind. When you get these things together, you have a higher chance of one thing happening over the other. In this case, you have a higher chance of this market going up than going down. This is essentially what trading is a game of probability. When you have these things stacked in your favor, you can get what you need. Okay, so as you can see, the market is still going up. I had to attend to something first. The market is still going up. Why? Because of the power of these conferences that I have just showed you. If you want to know more about how you can trade and get these things, you should get the ebook. The description is at the link to the description is at this video. You get my WhatsApp address. This is the ebook. This is not the complete ebook. This is just what I used in showing you how it is. The ebook contains much more than this, where you have the psychology, what to do when you see a pattern, and what to watch out for. It has candlestick analysis, market conditions, in terms of how you can use a simple indicator just like the Bollinger Band and the EMA to predict where the price is going to do next, or what price has been doing. It has volume and price analysis as well. So if you want to get this ebook, you can reach me out and I'll tell you how you can get it. If this is your first time in this channel, please, I want you to leave a like in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and if you have a question, you can leave your question in the comment section. So that will be all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it, most especially this Bollinger Band. If you want to know about this, how the Bollinger Band work, I have a video. I'll be leaving the video link in the video description as well. You can go back to watch the video. It's a 20 minutes or so video, so you can get more insight about how the Bollinger Band works. So until next time, bye bye.